Hello guys, I'm Nintendo. Today I will show you an amazing CYDIA IMPACTOR alternative called Rickpactor. The way this works is very similar to CYDIA IMPACTOR, but it's a bit different, so I will show you how to do it. First of all, on your iOS device, open Safari, go to this website, and tap on link your device. Tap on link again, and it will ask for your email. Put there your real email and make sure you can access that email. You will be sent an email message later, so make sure you can access that email address. Then it will ask to download a profile, so install it. Don't worry, it's safe. And here it is, installed on my iPhone. So now you will need to continue on your computer. This works perfectly on Windows. I'm on Windows 10 Pro. I don't know about Windows 8, Windows 7. I don't know. You may try. And it also works on macOS, I guess, because there's a screenshot here of macOS, but I haven't found the link for the macOS download. So I guess it will appear here instead of the Windows one if you access from a Mac computer, but I don't know. So now click on link your Mac or PC, put there your email address that I will be putting a big black square there or rectangle, whatever, and you will receive an email that looks like this. Don't press here. Don't press this button. Press this one. Control this device. As simple as that. Now go to appleid.apple.com and create a fresh new Apple ID, or use one of the alt ones you had for CYDIA IMPACTOR. I had one alternative, so and then make sure you accept the terms in developer.apple.com. So go here, log in with the same Apple ID that you just created and accept the terms. Now go to device features configuration page, put here the new Apple ID with its password, and if you have jailbreak and AppSync, I don't know why are you watching this video, so I will assume you don't, so check no. Save feature configuration. Make sure you click here. I forgot the first time. So now you need to download Rickpactor. I already have it, so I won't download it. And open it. Now you should plug in your iPhone or iPad or whatever you're using and trust your computer if you don't already. Keep the device screen turned on, don't let it sleep, just stay on the home screen. And now minimize Rickpactor. You can install two type of apps, I guess. You can install the iOS apps they have here, like for example Netflix. I guess this is cracked or something, that's why it's here, I don't know. Just pressing this green install button, but I guess you're here because you want to use your own IPAs. So click here, My App Store, and upload the IPAs here. You have 5 gigabytes of storage for free. No card, credit card, ask anything. Just for having an account, you have 5 gigabytes. So you can upload as much as you want, as long as you don't pass that limit. I have Minecraft and Delta, but because I have already installed Minecraft, but not Delta. Look, it's not installed. If I go to settings, here it's not installed Delta. I will obviously try to install Delta. So USB plugged in, device unlocked and screen turned on, Rickpactor opened and in the background, and person install. Obviously, do not disconnect your device during this process. And here press on cancel. Now, if your device is plugged in properly, you should see some text going on here under details. And finally, here, this message. It took a few seconds because Delta is a very light app, but for example, for Minecraft, it took like 2 minutes. So just be patient. If you see some text going on, it means it's working, so don't close it. Now, you have Rickpactor open, obviously. Click Install via Rickpactor. It will start downloading Delta from the appdb servers. And as you can see, Delta is not here. This is where it will appear under Shazam. And boom, installed. So there it is, Delta. So you can open it, settings, everything. You can install any IPA with this. So it's just CYDIA IMPACTOR, but with a workaround. So you can see that it works without any problem in Windows, no virtual machines, no USBs, no macOS. So I'm sure you will like this. And I'm pretty sure too that your friends will enjoy it, so share it with your friends. And if you want more iOS tutorials, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, please. Let me know. You don't, you don't know how it motivates me to read your comments, so leave a comment. It costs you anything, and it helps me a lot. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.